There is more breaking news coming in. Union Minister Suresh Gopi also had a meeting with the family of the EY employee who died allegedly due to overwork. He says, and I quote, "I have talked to Anna's family. From all the information I could gather, I think there is something in fact, the kind of behavior that we saw after she died, that was a little unfair, and I think it has to be dealt with. Strongly concerned agencies will be roped in for this," unquote. So that's the first reaction that we are now getting from Union Minister. Let's listen in.
I've talked to Anna's family, her mother and her grandfather. All of them are very educated. And from all that information I could gather, I think there is something. Because the post-death participation by responsible people have been very unfair. And I think that has to be dealt with. And the concerned agencies will definitely be roped in.
So Centre clearly has now stepped in and has launched investigation into the allegations of hostile workplace and the kind of environment that people have, especially EY is concerned. Now we also have a statement coming in from the victim's father. Let's listen in.
The Honorable Ministers Suresh Gopi sir visited us today, and we have all these things presented before him, and he said he will look into the matter and he will raise the issue in Parliament and will do accordingly.
Let's now go back to Jayalakshmi, who continues to be with us for more on this. Jayalakshmi, now clearly assurances are being given from the government as well. We have seen Congress leaders also speaking to the victim's kin, but the point is that will this really bring some change or not? Because so far, if you see the response of EY, it seems that, you know, they are not really acknowledging what the parents are alleging in this particular case.
Yes, exactly. The point to be noted is that, you know, even though EY came and offered their condolences because of the death of their employee, former employee, and also they even said that they deeply regret the fact that nobody from EY attended the funeral. Never, not once in their entire statement, they acknowledged the fact that, she died because of work stress, and they in fact they said that they refused to believe that such a thing could have happened solely because of work stress. But definitely, as we know that the issue has now come on to the government and in fact opposition as well. Now what we understand is that this issue is definitely going to be addressed very deeply in the at the union ministry level and also at the opposition level also. So definitely a very strong decision we can expect it in the upcoming parliament session, wherein we can expect a strong debate on the working culture of the current organization and the policies and the labor laws, and definitely strict intervention from the government as promised as well. So we definitely do expect that the that the central government has since started the investigation will definitely lead to a solution is what we expect. But we know that how the letter, that in fact the 4 or 5 page letter was a heartfelt letter by the mother of Anna Sebastian, who detailed in detail every single word, had explained how her daughter what her daughter used to face in the company and how it used to torture her. Even in fact not her work which was supposed to be done, they used to assign her their other colleagues, other teams work as well. So definitely a matter that the central government and the politicians are looking into.